that I take breakfast at, or if you want to say I take breakfast with my family. So that is clearly mentioned that you are talking about your morning food. Let's say if you are saying that I always take my lunch with my friends. So it is clear that you are talking about your afternoon meal. And let's say you say that I take my dinner with my siblings. That is clearly mentioned that you are talking about your night meal, because dinner indicates night food. So in this way we are going to learn some sentences now. I take my breakfast with my family. मैं अपनी फैमिली के साथ में ब्रेकफास्ट लेता हूँ. Or you can say about lunch or dinner also. Next is, I always share my food with my sister. मैं अपनी सिस्टर के साथ में अपना फूड शेयर करता हूँ. You can mention sister or siblings, younger brother, younger sister, to whom you share your food. I always eat healthy food. Suppose if someone asks you that what do you prefer to eat, you can say I always eat, or I always prefer to have healthy food that is good for my health and a healthy mind. Next sentences are, do you want to eat something? क्या तुम्हें खाने में कुछ चाहिए या खाने के लिए कुछ चाहिए? Do you want to have something? क्या तुम्हें खाने के लिए कुछ चाहिए? The meaning of these sentences are same. Do you want to eat something? Do you want to have something? The meaning is same, and these types of sentences we call interrogative sentences because we are asking something. The meaning is same. Whatever you want to say, you can express your feelings in these ways. Next sentence is, why don't you eat something? तुम कुछ खाते क्यों नहीं हो? This is a type of negative and interrogative sentence. Interrogative, why interrogative? Because it's a question sentence. And why negative? Because it is containing a negative word that is not. So why don't you eat something is an example of interrogative negative sentence. Have you taken your lunch? क्या तुमने अपना लंच ले लिया? Have you eaten your lunch? क्या तुमने अपना लंच खा लिया? The meaning is same. Either you can say the first sentence or second sentence. Third is, have you not taken your dinner? Again, it is an example of interrogative negative sentence. Why negative? Because it is containing a negative word not. And why interrogative? Because it is a question sentence. Next is, would you like to eat something? क्या तुम्हें खाने में कुछ चाहिए? What do you like to eat? तुम खाने में क्या पसंद करोगे? Why are you not eating? तुम क्यों नहीं खा रहे हो? In this way, you can ask questions and you can make sentences related to eating food or having meal. Today's thought of the day is, always eat healthy food to remain fit and fine. And remember one thing also, we need to keep exercising also so that we can develop a healthy mind and a healthy body. So